This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, with about 10 seconds before the open of the session for September 29th, 2020. We're going to be taking a look at the daily closing levels. There's the market open. All right, let's take a look at where the market closed at the end of yesterday's session in terms of their daily RSI. We can see yesterday the Nasdaq closed with its RSI at 52.11. The S&P 500 closed yesterday with its RSI at 50.25, give or take. And the Dow closed with its RSI at 49.87. Now, because we have major averages closing above or below, so we take that to be the 50, for example. So let's take that to be the 50. And we have markets. We got the Nasdaq trading at 52. We got S&P trading just above 50. And the Dow trading just below 50. So for the day, if the Nasdaq slides and finds itself trading below 50, expect this to be a big down day into the close. This would also mean the S&P 500 cracks lower. If the Dow can hold above RSI 50, this actually means the market is going to have a good up day or a stabilizing positive up day. Now, generally speaking, when you have major averages trading above and below the 50-day RSI, the 50 RSI level, it tends to call for a volatile session as each instrument is looking to move above or below RSI 50. So in other words, if you're a swing trader, you can watch the RSI levels movement above 50 for the Dow would be for a good positive day. The Nasdaq, especially since it was trading with its RSI at 52 and change, if it was to move below 50, expect this to be a big down day for a swing trade lower. Now, this is going to make more sense if you take a look at the prior two videos from yesterday. So this is going to be linked in the description of the video. I'm going to call this part 3 of 3. So watch this because it kind of helps explain my thoughts and the chart setup coming into today. And we can see there was also another one, part 2. So if you can watch the prior two videos, they would make more sense in relation to where the markets are trading with their RSI 50 levels. So with about 5 minutes, this is how markets are trading. If we can take a look right now, these are the numbers. Nasdaq trading with its RSI at 52.29. S&P 500 trading with its RSI at 50.12, and the Dow still remains below 50 with its RSI at 49.15. This being more of an educational video, the point here being the RSI levels movement above or below RSI 50 tends to determine short-term swing trade direction and bias. We'll see how it goes. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love light, like love. Namaste.